How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel if it's your first time here. And today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little install review and like over time review of these eBay corner bumper lights. Now, the history I have with these is when I originally bought my car, it had just the stock OEM orange corner bumper lights. But whoever had the car before me either painted them black or put a black, like wrap over them. So during the day, they looked awesome. It was black, it fit in, it was sleek, looked really nice. I love the look. But at night, when you would turn the lights on, since the lens was, still orange, it would show orange. And I didn't like the orange because it didn't really match anything. So I swapped those out for these right here, as you can see them. Go to the other side, might be able to see this side better. It's these. These are just I bought these off eBay. It's just a clear lens with a black background and the bulb right there, LED bulb. Now, I like the look of them because of the black background, it fit in, but it looks kind of awkward because since the lens is clear, and I'll go back to the other side. Since the lens is clear, you just see a white bulb just kind of sticking out of there. And at night, that's all you see is just the white bulb with the lights turned on. So it doesn't look good, but I've had these for about like 4 years. Overall they've held up. Had some issues with condensation and water getting into them, so like I resealed them, put a hole in it so it would drain, but they still have kind of an issue, which kind of expect for, I think these were like 20 bucks or something off eBay, really cheap. I still have my OEM ones, the black, the stock orange looking bumper lights. I still have them in a box somewhere, but I don't want orange, so I went ahead and bought these. So I bought these just the other day. Now these were a bit more expensive, but as you can see, they have they're fully tinted. I'll try and post a picture of what they actually look like, but it's like they're like little LED like bars, it looks like. When I first saw these a long time ago, I didn't like the look of them, and that's why I never bought them. But looking at them again recently, they kind of grew on me. So I figured, why not buy them and give them a shot? I think they were like $30-something. So not too bad. But we're gonna pop these in right now and show you guys what they look like in the day, at night, and then maybe a month or two from now, I'll post an updated video of these and how they're holding up. So I guess we'll get to installing them. So I got the first passenger side one out. All you do is just turn the wheel in, pull back the inside liner, pop the tabs out of your other one, and that's it. You don't need a bulb because as you can look, or as you can see, that just plugs into that, and then the lights are already built into this. So it just pops in, and I'll back the car out to show you guys a comparison in the daylight. And for reference, here's how these ones looked lit up. The old ones, as you can see, like the bulb, it's just like right there. Doesn't really look good. The camera kind of makes it look better than what it actually does, but. Alright, so here's the passenger side done. Looks pretty good. I really like it. Nice and dark, tinted. Then here's the side that I haven't done yet, the driver's side. You can definitely see the difference. Well guys, and with anything eBay, we ran into an issue. If you look at this driver's side one, this top tube is a lot more lit than this bottom one. Now if we go over to this one, which keeps popping out annoyingly, they're both lit up. So I might have to message them and ask them what's up. This one keeps popping out. It's kind of annoying. Not sure why. So yeah, I guess overall, would I recommend these? No, probably not. Hopefully the seller will send me some new ones. They look great in the daytime. They do. Just once they light up, probably not, which you guys could just run these without the lights on. I know a lot of people that do that. They just take the bulb out of those corner lights. I may end up doing that, honestly, because that'll look better than just having, you know, one of the tubes out. So I'm gonna take some pictures, message the seller, see what happens. But overall, I don't recommend these, just but yeah. So there's a little quick review. I'll do a nighttime shot here tonight of what they look like as well, and give you guys an update in a month or two of overall what happens. All right, so this is me just like 10 minutes later from that last clip, and I'm not even gonna wait until a month or so to do an update, because these things suck. The passenger side fitment is very good. I'm very happy with how it fits, but that bottom tube LED looks like it's burnt out. Then, I don't know if you guys just heard that, but the driver's side, all the LED tubes work, but the fitment sucks ass. It keeps popping out, and you guys might have just heard that a couple seconds ago, but I've tried fucking with the little tabs as much as I can, but it keeps popping out, and I don't know why. So I think I'm just gonna take these out, return them, put in my original ones, and just do the VHT, whatever it's called, spray, and just black them out, because I'm over these. So yeah, there's that video. See you guys in the next one. Later.